Hi, have you been looking for a way to ship products online easily for your small business? Now you can not just collect customer orders, but also ship them directly from a single dashboard with leading shipping partners all over India on Instamojo. Introducing mojoXpress, Instamojo shipping solutions to power your online business. With mojoXpress, you can ship to over 26,000 pin codes in India. Choose any shipping partner you want to go with. We have some great integrations with leading shipping partners like ShipRocket, Picker, Shipyari, etc. You can schedule, manage, and track shipments in just one click. You also get doorstep pickup and delivery for your shipments. We also have some amazing cashbacks and discounts with the integrated shipping partners. What's more, you can also offer cash on delivery to your customers with mojoXpress shipping partners. In this video, we'll walk you through how to connect all your orders from Instamojo online store to your favorite shipping partner. If you haven't started your Instamojo online store yet, check out the detailed tutorial on how to set up your Instamojo store in the description. You can start an e-commerce website on Instamojo in just 5 clicks. If you're already an Instamojo online store user, just follow the steps shown in the video. Let's get started. First, log into your Instamojo account and head to your dashboard. On the dashboard, head to the App Store. You will be redirected to the Instamojo App Store, where you will find several e-commerce integrations that you can connect with your Instamojo online store. To ship your orders from your Instamojo online store, click on Shipping Partners. Here, you will find all the shipping partner integrations that are available for your Instamojo online store. Here, you need to select the shipping partner that you want to ship with. I am selecting ShipRocket here. Please keep in mind that you will have to create an account on the ShipRocket dashboard to be able to actually ship your Instamojo orders from the shipping partner account. So just click on subscribe. Since I have already created an account on ShipRocket, all I need to do is just authorize access to the Instamojo store data so it can sync onto the ShipRocket dashboard. Authorizing access to your store will allow ShipRocket to read access to your store inventory, your orders, your phone number and email address so that you can get notified on the different orders and track your shipments easily. So just click on authorize and you're done. Today, it's that easy to sync your Instamojo online store orders to your partner shipping dashboard. Want to offer cash on delivery to your customers? Most shipping services on Instamojo offer COD today. You can easily set up COD for your Instamojo online store directly from the dashboard itself. Enabling this feature will ensure that your customers see a cash on delivery option in the payment section when making a purchase on your online store. When you enable COD from your dashboard, you will also be able to see it appear on your Instamojo online store's homepage, like this. Ready to set up COD for your Instamojo online store? Just go to the settings section. In the settings section, just go to shipping settings and toggle cash on delivery on. The numbers you see here are an average calculation of how much shipping partners usually charge for COD, but you can also charge a flat fee above the fee that your shipping partner might charge. So just check the box and you'll see that an average number has already been filled in, and just click on enable. Once you've done this, COD as an option will now be available to your customers when they make a purchase. Before ending this video, we'd like to remind you that we have several shipping benefits and cashbacks available in the Mojo Plus rewards section. So on the dashboard, just head to the Mojo Plus section and go to the benefits and check out all the shipping benefits that we have listed for you. In order to avail these cashbacks and benefits, just click on Get This and Avail Offer. Why schedule everything manually when you can just do it in a few clicks? Forget manual shipping and switch to mojoXpress. Take your business online with the Instamojo online store today.